Hey guys, so a few weeks ago, Jenny Post sent me all of these cool pieces of snap jewelry, and today I'm going to actually show you how they're used. I'm going to use some of this acrylic skin. You can use all kinds of things, but we're going to go ahead and do this. And this is, I'm using some of the 20mm kit, and it comes with the glass pieces and then the little snaps. They are super light, by the way. Someone had commented on an earlier video that maybe they seem too heavy, but I don't think so. So I'm going to do a few of these. We're going to get these glued down, and then I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to place them in the snaps, and then I'm going to show you how the snaps can work. So there's different things you can use to glue these. I'm going to use, actually, this is a jewelry glue that I use from Craft Fantastic. It's called Fantastic Glaze and Glue. My stopper is a little stuck. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and decide where I want these to go. I'm going to put one right here. Let's see. Put just like a drop. Place that, okay. That's quite a bit of glue. All right, I'm going to put this one in a different spot. And this has, there's no silicone here. So if you did have silicone on this, you would ideally clean it off. All right, there's two. Let's see, I think one over here would be good. Okay, just gonna do a couple more. Let's see, one right here. Okay. I think actually one over here in this. Oh, what? This is folded over. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's a good thing I saw that. So I'm gonna do one over here in this pretty red spot. And then this one will go right here. Okay. We're gonna let this dry a bit. Come back and cut them out, and then we'll put them into the snaps. Okay, so we're ready to get these cut out, and then attach them in our snaps. So I'm just gonna gently cut around here. And as you can see, you really don't need a lot of the skin for an awesome project. Little goes a long way. So you can, these skins will last you for forever. So here's our first one. Ended up being red, white, and blue. All right. And it's gonna take me a minute, so I'll go ahead and speed this part up. All right, we've got all of our little pieces cut out here. I did 5. So now we're gonna go ahead and attach them to the snaps. And Jenny recommends that you use the E6000 jewelry glue. For right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this same jewelry glue I've been using. Although the E6000 would probably be more durable. But we're going to go ahead and we'll get these out. Alright. Now ideally, you want to let all of this dry for several days. So we are doing this a little faster than we should. But I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of glue there. And probably have enough for 2, so I'm going to just use some for another one. And then we're going to just place it in here. Make sure that it is pressed in very well. And there we have it. Once again, we would want to let these dry for a few days. So we'll go ahead and we're going to just do our other ones here. And then I'm going to show you how these can be used. I'm going to just do that very gently because I'm not going to let it dry before showing you that part. So I'll just have to be very careful. And you can use, like I said, the E6000 here. Whoops. You can also use, I'm sure, resin. And then I'm just using this other jewelry glue because it's what's convenient for me right now. I'm actually out of the E6000. Okay, one more. All right, there, they're all in. I'm gonna let these dry for at least a couple hours, and then we'll come back and we'll see how these get used in really cool pieces of jewelry. Okay, we're back. So now I'm gonna show you some applications of these. So if you go to Jenny's website, she has tons of these cute little things. So these would be necklaces, pendants, you know, and then there's some earrings, and these are a couple that she actually made for me. These are acrylic skins, and these are little resin flowers, which are awesome. So I'm going to just show you how they're interchangeable. We're going to go ahead and I'm picking two. These two are pretty similar. So you would just snap them in to the piece of jewelry that you would want. So these are the earrings. All right, and then let's see, for the turtle, I'm gonna do this pretty blue one. Awesome, and then for the feather, I think I'm gonna do this pink. Why not? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the close-up. And remember, these are all interchangeable. So you could make 10 different colors that could go along with this to go with your different outfits and whatever. That one's a necklace. Oh my goodness, I love this one. This is perfect coloring for this turtle, dude. So awesome. And then here are, oh, as I throw them, here are the two earrings. So there's tons of options for bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and there's different sizes of these too, guys. This is just one size. There's smaller ones as well for littler earrings and different things like that. Here, I'll show you a few more real quick. So here's a bracelet where you would put a bunch, and this fits these sizes. These are earrings with the smaller sizes. These are little itty bitty guys. These are ones that Jenny made for me, and I think they're adorable. They're just little earrings. And here is a bag with a snap on it. Once again, one that Jenny made. Really cute, so you can change it out depending on your mood. Here's another necklace pendant. There's so many. The options are endless. So go ahead down to the description box. You will see a link for all of Jenny's info, her website, to check it all out, because this is just so much fun. Endless possibilities, really. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys try some of these products, and I will see you next time.